Network Entertainment.
Did you wake up with a sound?
Welcome to Wake Up Juice Podcast!
Before anything else, gusto ko lang mag-rant ng mabilis as a homeschooler. And I'm sure not just a homeschooler mom can feel this pain. Other yuppies, luma ng young professionals, yuppies. Microsoft Office.
Oh, the worst.
As a tool, it's not the worst. But the fact na, why don't I have the option to pay one time? Alam mo bang ganun na ngayon?
Yeah. It's
You
a
have to pay
subscription.
monthly?
Oh, yeah. And actually, I do want to say that Microsoft Office represents everything evil in the world.
Hindi naman. Let's give it its flowers. It taught us a lot. Did you ever get
Microsoft Office is the flood control of the Garden of Eden.
Dito kasi ako naaasar. Okay, so for the longest time, wala akong problema kasi I'm like, okay, anyone sends me a .doc document.
Open on
I'll
Google
open it
Docs.
on Google Docs. Okay, but because I wanted to upload my own fonts into it, so that because I'm doing copy work, which means like teaching our kid handwriting, right? So I wanted to do it on my own. And then, hindi ko pala pwede gawin yun sa Google Docs.
Okay.
Kailangan Word. So anyway, babagsak ako sa the best, Canva.
Ako hindi, sorry. Google Docs. Sorry, actually, Google is the representative of all the evil in the world. Pero,
Why not both?
Google Docs is awesome.
Google
So,
Docs,
ako
yeah,
naman,
fine, okay.
Actually, just to let you guys know, in this episode, we have a malibag about two exes who end up becoming friends, but may malaking but.
Malaking butt.
May malaking but yung isa.
Pero babalik lang ako kay Bill Gates, ha?
Sorry, you didn't get the joke.
I got it.
Okay.
Balik lang ako kay Bill Gates na parang, di ba sobrang yaman nito? Tapos hindi pa niya naisip na parang, yaman ko na. Kailangan para, subscription
Wala na
tayo.
siya kinalaman dun eh.
Wala
I
na
think
ba?
it's something.
Tim Gunn.
Hindi.
Joke.
Si
Make it work.
Si Sine something. Something.
Anyway.
Savannah or something. Not Steve Ballmer, but yeah, whoever's in charge of Microsoft. Like, guys,
Bigay nyo na.
baka happy ka na sa kotse mo, dude. Parang okay na yan.
Or ito ba yung parang
Parang
ano nila?
10 na yung kotse mo, okay na yan. Relax.
Baka kasi talo sila ng Apple sa sales ng
totoo
laptop.
naman.
So parang
naman,
software
for sure.
na lang.
Sa software lang sila kumikita. Totoo. Pero sa corporate, hindi naman sila kumikita sa
Oo nga
business to consumers. They're earning from B2B. Business to business.
Hindi
They're
ko
not earning
okay.
from us. Let's
Yeah,
say,
exactly.
you think Microsoft's end game is like, oh my God, bakit wala nang nagsusubscribe sa Microsoft PowerPoint? Diba?
Yeah.
That's not it. Yung habol nila is yung all the offices na, oy, kailangan nyo ng Outlook. O babayaran sila ng malaki ng BDO, ng Land Bank, na kurakot.
So,
By the way, sorry, quick kwento. Yung Land Bank, lumabas sila sa ICI kasi first time ever
nag-stream na?
nag-stream na yung ICI.
I didn't even know.
Yeah. So ICI is that independent commission, 'di ba? Na parang the Avengers. Avengers ng flood control apparently, or Suicide Squad ng flood
Okay.
control. So they finally decided to stream. Yesterday it was the Land Bank guys.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Kumusta?
Well, here's the thing. The reason why itong ICI nga hasn't been, people have been demanding for it. And the only time that they did do a live stream, walang kahit anong politician involved. Yes, it was all Land Bank. They didn't do it when they were interviewing the senators and
Has
congressmen.
Romualdez been,
I think he went na eh. Nag-executive session na siya eh.
Kainis talaga. Executive session is such like, it's such a
It's
trigger word.
Sorry
I mean, trigger phrase.
Sorry, to all the politicians, wala kayong right.
Kapal talaga.
Wala kayong right na nakakaya eh. Wala kayong right
Yeah,
to
yeah.
privacy. Sorry ha. Wala kayong right to privacy.
What is the let's think about it. What is the reasoning behind an executive session? Because
In fairness naman, in an ideal world or in a world where society is and people follow rules, an executive session could be useful. Let's say, for example, if you say, I know where all the money is being kept. And if I say it in a news press conference, then maybe the cartel will hide it.
Oh, ganon. Okay,
Executive
gets.
session ako para sabihin sa inyo and then go.
So it's not dangerous.
Nyo. Oo. Pero yung nangyayari dito, they know naman na lately it's been trial by publicity, right? But sorry. So anyway,
Akala ko maraming magpapasko sa kulungan. Parang
nga eh.
What a joke.
The only thing that has happened is they announced that these 8 dudes from DPWH that no one has ever heard of and Zaldico who is wala naman. And also isa pa, nakakatawa.
yung frozen assets.
May isa pa. So 'di ba I don't know if we talked about it on the pod, pero like, si Cassie Ong yung bumounce.
We haven't talked about it in the pod, I think.
I think we did.
Si Cassie Ong was part of the
Alice Go
saga.
And she was just casually, tinatanong ni not casually, but Senrisa was interviewing one of the senators and she said, nasaan na si Cassie Ong? One of the people, kasi since we got the arrest, na-convict na si Alice Go. Kasama tong so, bakit hindi siya kasama, right? Tapos sabi ni Win Gatchalian, parang may kausap siya. Tapos, ma'am, based on reports, wala na siya. Tapos si Senrisa was like, ay, paanong wala na? Sen Gatchalian was like, nung nagpalit daw from the 20 to 21st whatever Congress, hindi na turnover. So, nakaalis na siya. So, I'd like to add one more thing.
That is so unacceptable. Whoever was in charge of the turnover must
Yun
be
nga eh.
held accountable.
Yun nga eh.
As you told me something about na, we'll look for her, pero bayaran nyo kami. Parang ganon.
Hindi. Ang nangyari was, nag-announce ng government na, okay guys, Cassie Ong is wanted. Itong pinakawalan namin, wanted. And we are gonna use the taxpayers' money for a reward of 1 million pesos. Sino makakahanap sa Cassie Ong na to. Kaya everyone's
Which
like,
is a joke because you guys know
you
where
let
she
her,
is. I'm sure.
You let her go. And then you're gonna use the money, our money na naman, to reward the people to fucking find it and do your job.
Grabe.
Yung isa pang issue ngayon, alam mo, yung kay Senator Bato. So hindi na siya hindi na siya sumisipot
I heard
sa
about this.
hearing. Hindi na siya sumisipot sa Senate. He's not going to work.
Yeah.
Because nga he's afraid that the ICC will officially issue its warrant and the PNP and whatever the DOJ will work together and arrest him just
Yes.
like si Tatay Digong.
God, no, please don't say that.
So so what happened is he's not going to work.
Si TTD.
He's not going to work.
Sorry.
So everyone is saying, like hindi ako papasok ng 5 days, I get fired.
Yes.
Why is this public official who, you are a public servant, you haven't been going to work,
And walang excuse letter daw.
walang kahit ano, alam mo yung most recent,
Yes.
the only thing, yung text.
No, hindi ko alam.
The only excuse letter he has his official statement
What?
is texting Ping Lacson.
Ano sabi niya?
Sen,
Pass muna ako, bro. Ganon.
Sen, magtatago ako, yung tatalunin kita sa sa pagkatagal na magtago. Haha.
Legit?
Legit. I'll read it to you. Not kidding.
What? And Senator Ping Lacson wrote,
and
read it?
ito si Ping rin, talagang parang kunento niya na wala lang. Oo nga nagsabi, naghaha pa siya. Parang ganun.
We're not taking this seriously. And I think one of the senators said na
Ayan, ito.
no work, no pay.
Yan,
Hindi no work, no pay sa Senate.
Sabi ni Sen Ping, I found time na kamustahin lang siya. Sabi ko, kamusta ka na? Mag-ingat ka lang. Nagbiro siya sa akin. Sir, i-break ko yung record mo sa pagtatago. Haha. Anyway, so before we get to the Maribag, I have some important stuff I would like to discuss.
Unbelievable. My gosh.
This is the-
Sorry, I was processing that. I couldn't.
I think
can't-
this is critical information that I would like to share.
Can't wait.
Hot water.
To drink
Drinking hot water.
with lemon?
No.
Why?
Hot water, drinking hot water is a game changer.
Parang marami nang gumagawa nun.
No.
You
Empty.
invented this. This is the first time it's ever been done before. Yes.
I'm marketing it properly.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Go. Okay, sell me hot water.
Tell me how. Okay. Number one, apparently, like when you start your day with cold water, it shocks your body. Diba?
Okay.
So if you start with hot water, at least it primes you. Your digestive system kind of gets warmed up. So that's one.
I'm just gonna blow my nose.
It's a great way to start the day. Number two, quote me on this and clip this viral reel.
Make this a
this-
TikTok
Clip
snippet.
this TikTok snippet. Hot water greater than ice cream. Hot water greater than cookies. Hot water greater than chocolate cake. Hot water greater than cheesecake. Grabe. It's the hack. It's the hack of all hacks.
What do you like? Do you prime your brain to think that it
You
tastes better?
you don't even have to prime it, sweetie. It's a
Don't sweetie me. Don't you sweetie
it's
me.
a physical thing. As in like I'm telling you, I'm guaranteeing
Mas
you,
masarap
mas masarap.
kaysa cheesecake,
Yes.
kaysa kape.
Yes. Ay. Depende kung lagpas 3.
Ha?
Kung lagpas 3 p.m.
Ah, okay. Gets.
So, ako like kunwari after a big meal, imbis na kunwari, alam mo yun, yung kunwari, dami mo nakain and like medyo may MSG and whatever, and you feel that need na kailangan mong cake. Imbis na mag-cake ka, hot water. As in just,
Ano,
just
what
just-
temperature is that?
As in boiling hot.
Gago, hindi pwede yun.
As in,
Okay, don't do that.
Wait. Boiling hot water, tas konting cold, konting cold, and then like little sips.
Hindi ka nagiging victim ng napapaso yung upper.
Napapaso. But
hate
I think the cold water on top helps eh.
I hate it when the rest of the day parang numb yung tongue mo kasi napaso ka ng something.
I would
hate
like
that.
to hear responses on our Spotify comments. If
Hot
you-
water?
Hot water over everything.
Greater.
Okay.
That's not the title of this episode. Okay, let's go to our money
Okay.
bag. Oh my gosh.
Before we go to the Maribag, I do want to say we have the best Tito Tita shirts at Linya Linya.
Oh.
If you want to get
Kung
your
mahilig
friends,
ka na sa hot water,
mahilig ka sa hot water, we have this new shirt na favorite line ko. Ano yan? Masarap, hindi masyadong matamis.
I love
Ah.
it. It's so good.
That and Gout to Believe in Magic.
Yeah.
So for your titos and titas or the tito and your friends in their tito and tita era.
Well, it can be both, but I like era.
Go to linyalinya.ph, get your Christmas gifts there. Also, you could actually, once you order sa Linya Linya, you could just click,
Diretso na?
you can click something and you can have a personalized gift card pa.
Oh.
Yeah, so perfect.
Tapos
Wala
diretso
ka-
na sa kanila, i-deliver.
Yeah, and then maganda pa yung paper bag, so at least wala ka nang isipin, naka-gift wrap na siya.
Love
Yeah.
it.
Use the promo code. I'm gonna decide what the promo code is. Hot water, Dad.
Hot water lang.
Hot water lang.
Hot water.
Okay. Use promo code hot water. Okay. Hot water is daddy. Yeah. Hot water daddy.
Hot water lang.
Bakit?
Kasi para,
mas
unisex.
Sige. Okay. Promo code hot water. You get 10% off on all your purchases
Until when?
for Linya Linya. Until end of December. So, yeah.
Hindi pa alam ng team to, pero...
Yes, I'm gonna Tell them now. Okay, Malibag.
Oh, wait lang. Shoutout yan. Gusto ko rin kunin yung bagong design. I just saw it kanina. Yung Lalamon.
Yeah.
It's like Pokemon, but Lalamon. I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Okay. Anyway, Malibag.
Wala masyado bumibili nun.
Oh, no. Ako. Bili ako.
Oh, pero yeah.
Kakalabas lang. Kakakita ko lang eh.
Hindi.
I didn't even know it's out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna buy it. Okay, anyway. Okay, anyway.
Okay.
I have this complicated relationship with my ex, but he's married now with a kid. Last year, we got reconnected. I just had this favor na siya lang ang need ko makausap. He helped me naman. Kamustahan, konting catch-up through chat, that led to that realization na andun pa din yung love. Wait.
Bakit?
Gusto ko bang ituloy ito?
Yeah.
What?
Why?
Okay, sige. Sorry.
Judgy.
Well, married now with a kid eh. Tapos biglang sabihin mo, andun pa rin yung love. What?
Why? Siya lang naman ang nakakaramdam nun eh.
Well, okay, sige. Fine. Tapusin ko muna.
Oo.
Sorry, I'm sorry I prejudged you.
Judgy.
Sorry. This is a safe space. But I will call you out if you need it. Okay, continuing. Sabi nga namin, nag-evolve na siya to a different form. Okay.
Ay.
Okay. Pero nagkaka-chat kami from time to time. Hindi palagi, pero nagkakaroon na ng emotional attachment. Okay? May times, though very rare, na nagkikita at usap over dinner or dadaan siya sa place ko, mag-uusap kami saglit before siya umuwi.
Whoa. Whoa.
Still not, I'm not judging you. Wait. Tuloy natin to. He still finds me interesting daw at curious pa din siya palagi what's going on with my life and still amused about my experiences. Same goes for him. Na-enjoy ko pa din siya kausap, especially sa common interests namin about our passion sa work. But not to the point naman na gusto niya ako maging mistress or gusto ko siya agawin sa family niya. Pero hindi ko rin masasabi na it makes the situation less bad. Yes, alam namin meron mali, may guilt. Pero we both know na hanggang dun lang kami. I am single, by the way. One of the reasons siguro na hinahayaan ko ang sarili ko sa situation is alam ko sa sarili ko na ayoko ma-involve sa serious relationship. I don't plan on getting married or having a kid. I want a partner sana eventually, pero sa ngayon, parang hindi ko din siya kaya i-handle because of other things going on with my life, especially sa family ko. Si ex din, naging comfort person ko. Siguro nagugustuhan ko yung familiarity din. Kilala namin ng isa't isa. We know how to make each other feel better, ganon. Alam ko, escape niya din ako sa heavy reality of marriage and family. In my mind, we're friends. Wala naman kaming demands at expectations sa isa't isa. Pero ayun lang, syempre yung closeness namin is just between the two of us. Para bang we have this secret world or life. Ayun lang, sabi ni Jim. Just want to know your thoughts. Okay. Thank you for sending this letter. I'm so sorry if I came off as judgy earlier. But I will call you out, like I said so. What you're doing is wrong, and I urge you to stop. I know it may feel exciting. It's like, wala namang mali eh. We haven't crossed that line. Haven't being the word to look out for because you are playing with fire, my friend. Okay? It's absolute disrespect from the man's side because he is married and he knows he's doing something wrong. If his wife doesn't know that he's going to your place, always chatting with you and all of that, there is something wrong in this picture. And for you to write this letter to us, you know, and you actually admitted it, na you know something is wrong, and I'm confirming it. If you need that confirmation na may mali, yes, may mali. It's not okay. And it may be fun for you, but this is a family. It will, you know, if he's gonna do this with anyone, he probably will with someone else, but don't let it be you.
Yeah.
Please, you can control yourself.
Oh, first of all, like the fact that you wrote this letter means it's bothering you. Number two, I think kaya I was on the defense on your defense at your defense or earlier was because you parang kumbaga you can have your feelings. Yeah, you can have your feelings.
Having a crush is fine.
You can have your feelings. You miss him. You miss him.
I mean, okay lang sa akin na engaged na si Tom Holland, 'di ba? Parang okay lang, pero andun yung
Yeah.
respect.
You can have your feelings, but the biggest issue here is the actions that you're currently doing. Having him come over. Honestly, that alone. Yung messaging, that definitely no. But the mere, hindi, parang kumbaga I was gonna say na, baka kasi like, sometimes like, uy, saan mo ulit binili yung
Okay lang
yung
yun.
cup, whatever.
Happy birthday.
Saan pala makakabili ng menstrual cup or something? Why?
Saan mo binili yung yung na-misplace nung may ginagawa tayo dati.
Uy, nandito ako sa Victoria's Secret. Bukas pa pala siya.
Court.
Victoria's Secret.
Okay.
Kasi, sorry, I just saw it kasi yesterday when we went to Mega Mall. I was like, wow, meron pa palang Victoria's Secret?
Meron ba hindi locally?
Kaya nga eh. So baka you text na, uy, nandito ako sa Victoria's
La
Secret.
Senza.
La Senza. Ano kaya kunin ko?
Okay ba to? Send ng pictures. Wala naman akong ginagawang mali. Friend ko lang naman siya eh. Pero kumusta to? Okay ba?
So, the chatting, obviously, it will lead to that. And the chatting led to him coming over to your place. And honestly, that is the one thing.
Even the chatting, honestly, sorry, can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
I feel, woman to woman, person to person, because you can be a guy and this could be happening to you too. Don't let it get to you na this person seems so interested in you na siya lang yung nakakaget sa akin. No. Please, believe na you are an interesting person. You have interesting experiences. This is not the only person who will find you interesting.
Ganda.
Don't fall for it na siya lang talaga nakakaganda sa akin. No. Taasan mo yung tingin mo sa sarili mo na, oh my gosh, I can totally get this validation if you need it. Hopefully you don't because you validate yourself. But if you want to have someone to talk to with common interests, girl, hindi siya special.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Kung
He's
special
actually
siya,
worse.
diba?
He's actually worse.
Yeah.
Kasi,
he's hiding secrets from his wife.
yeah,
he's got a kid.
I think you should see the situation as that, as opposed to, kasi I know it's so easy kasi to get, to get caught in the spell of like, we have this connection and whatever. But objectively, if you step back, this is what type of person this guy is.
Yeah. Tsaka alam mo, unti-unti na yung mga, si Mrs. ganyan magrereklamo to make you feel na, ako, buti na lang ako, hindi ako ganun. Kaya he likes talking to me kasi ako, I'm cool. It's like,
Yeah,
but the reality of it is like,
she even said, parang sabi niya like, he talks to me and I've been his escape from the reality of marriage and kids. So ako here.
Parang pwede ba siyang mag-2K? Ganon?
Yeah, oh.
Diba? Pwede
Steam
naman
Deck. Pwede naman siya bumili ng Steam Deck eh.
Magano siya, pickleball, mga ganon. Diyos ko. Kailangan may pumunta sa condo na ibang babae. Ano to? Gusto ko rin naman ng escape eh.
Pickleball ka.
Hanap ka ng hobby. Diyos ko, mag-crochet ka. Bilhin mo ng yarn.
Yeah.
Buisit.
My last Stormbreaker would be, please, and to what Sab said, please know your worth. You're worth more than someone's escape.
Oh my God, that is so good.
You are worth someone who loves you, who would love you and support you and give his full commitment and his whole personhood to you. You're worth more than just being someone's escape and someone's pickleball.
And good for you na wala ka namang intention to have a serious relationship or anything. But also understand that when someone gets married to someone, that is a commitment. And for you, it may be a playtime. It's fun, not doing anything wrong, but I'm calling it na, it's gonna cause irreparable damages to a marriage. Maybe it already has.
Not just the marriage, Sabi, even to the kids.
Yes, because syempre, the kids are affected by that. So, alam mo yun, if you're gonna be his friend, pwedeng call him out on his and then yun na yun.
Yeah,
That's what a good friend would do.
That's what a good friend would do.
Like, pwede ba mag-pickleball ka? Pero walang kalandian sa pickleball, Diyos ko.
What a douche.
What a douche.
Siraan mo nga to. Sino tong douche na to? What a douche. He's
Yeah.
a douche. Mega douche.
Yeah. Don't fall for it. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. We'll see you next week. Guys, promo code Hot Water.
Hot water.
By the way, we are still our Facebook group is dying.
We're getting back to it, guys.
getting back to
okay?
it,
We're
so-
gonna make it fun. We have a lot of plans for the Podtron community, the Pod Kids. Thank you for staying with us through the years. I know we've been, focused on family life and businesses and all of that, but we haven't forgotten you. Thank you for holding space for us, and we want to, do the same for you guys.
Yeah, so check out bit.ly/podkidsafterparty for the Facebook group. Someone messaged us, by the way, asking if she could start a subreddit.
Ooh.
Yeah, for us.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
I don't know. Let
us know in the comments below.
bit.ly/podkidsafterparty and also jimandsab.com.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.